Very good day, students. Today we are going to start a new unit, that is basic ICT skills. Under that we'll learn today the first topic, information and communication skills. So what do you mean by information and communication skills? The world around us is impossible without the presence of computer, isn't it? Even in the lockdown period also, the first and the foremost thing which help us is what? Your computer and your technology, isn't it? So information and communication technology skills make our life easier or easing our task up to greater extent. Availing a domestic services like booking travel tickets, hotel rooms and flights, ordering the foods. Even now in the lockdown period you are studying the online. This all are what? Are the part of our daily life. Information is dealt with us in following ways. What are the following ways? First is accessing the information. How you could be able to access your information? There are various means like computers is there, communication network, smartphones, tablet help us to access the information through World Wide Web. Next is creation of information. What do you mean by creation of information? The computers, digital cameras, digital recorders, smartphones, scanners, etc. help us to create information in various forms like text, audio, video and images. Since when you are learning in online mode, you can found your material, your e-study material in different mode, no? Like first mode is what? You can find the explanation videos is there. You can find the images of your lessons. Okay, you can find the PDFs of your assignment questions. So there are different forms of information could be communicate with you to get the online education. This is known as what? Creation of information. Next is sharing and distributing the information. How you could be able to share or distribute your information? The internet, communication network and tools like video conferencing, video chat platforms, smartphones and computers are the tools to disseminate information. Like I am taking the same example of online education which we are doing right now. What is the mode of sharing your information? By using the WhatsApp tool, isn't it? By using WhatsApp tool, some teachers are sharing you with the help of YouTube links, you get the information. Okay, this is what? Sharing and distributing the information. And third is storing and managing the information. How you are storing your or manage your information? By databases, computers, storage devices like disk, pen drives, online drives are the means to store. What is online drive? Google Drive. Okay, are the means to store and manage information. Okay, like you are getting so much information right now, no, of online education, so you are wasting it? No, you are storing it for your future purposes. So where you are storing? You are storing in your phone places or in Google drives, or you can store in pen drives also. You might be storing in your computer also for further usage. Okay, whenever you want to see your teachers material, so you can be able to see your teachers material. Okay, next is role of ICT in personal life. What is the role of ICT in our personal life? So in our day-to-day personal life, ICT offers accessing services and facilities through the internet, computers and smartphones. So key areas where ICT plays vital role on personal life are: first, online financial service. How the online financial services help in our ICT in personal life? See, banks have extended their services to customers' smartphone. Like SBI is there. I'm taking the example of SBI. So SBI is doing what? It has its own software mobile app, that is YONO. In YONO, you could be able to check your transaction. You could be able to transact the money from one account to another account. Okay, this all features has been given by your bank. So instant online transaction. Even not only on there are some more softwares are also there, like phone pay is there, Paytm is there. You could be able to transact your money from one account to another by using what? Your online feature. Okay, and that online feature are being used in what? In your smartphones or in computers, you could be able to use. So banks have extended their services to customers smartphones and computers. Instant online transaction, secure transfer of funds, efficient customer support, reaching out with financial schemes to mass. This all has been greatly revolutionized using computer. In addition to this, loan services is there, insurance and social welfare schemes can be accessed what online. This all things do what? This all things saves our time and efforts, makes the services render faster. Okay, or if they won't give us this all feature, then what you have to do? You have to move to bank, you have to stand in big line, and you are wasting your time as well as your effort. So this all helps us to save our time and effort. Next, second one is your communication. How communication help ICT. Today, sending messages and responding to the messages has become incredibly instant, isn't it? Like, we teachers are doing what in this lockdown period? We are sending our information by using our social network platform, that is WhatsApp, isn't it? Such that our student could be able to study without any loss, isn't it? So for that we are using which platform? We are using the social media platform for communicating our information to you all students. So today sending SMS and responding to messages has become, responding messages in online learning is what? You are responding to the messages, know that you are understanding the study material or not, or you are having any doubt, so you are asking to the teachers, isn't it? So by this method you could be able to communicate. It helps us to become incredibly instant. Not only the process and means of communication today are easier and user friendly, they are secured and faster also. Integrated communication infrastructure including telephone lines, satellites, internet technology like chat, email and video conferencing, etc. The webinar feature is also there. Okay, by using webinar feature you can have the live chat with your teachers. Okay, next is healthcare. What do you mean by healthcare? Online diagnostic services, creativity design medical equipments, consultancy services, personal doctor on call, personal online physical trainer, etc. are the examples of ICT intervention in healthcare. You can book your doctor. Okay, you can book your doctor online and take your appointment also. This all helps in your healthcare. Even some of the diagnostic services are also there, which are available in online to diagnose that you have this health problem or not. Next is education. How education helps? You can see how education helps. This is the your online learning is the best example of your education, isn't it? I might be I don't have to give you such example for your education field. This lockdown became to both teacher and student digital. Okay, so getting educated with the help of computers has enriched and enhanced the process of teaching and learning at all level. Access to online courses, digitized books, multimedia tablets, immersive learning contents and user friendly learning interfaces are applications of ICT in education. Next, entertainment. Presentation of content today has gained completely in a different level. Entertainment, news, and fields of journalism are greatly supported by computer. There are various softwares by using what you could get the entertainment in one go. Like there is YouTube feature is there. If you want to listen the song, news, or any movies, then you can uh, just write there whatever the thing you want to show, see, you can see. Even the cricket matches are available in Hotstar. The live cricket matches are available in Hotstar also you can see. So these are the various applications are being used in what? In your entertainment field for using what? ICT. Next is social media. What do you mean by social media? When we talk about the global village, it is seen in true sense over online social media. The sharing ideas, information, your personal views, achievements, setbacks, your or any news with almost anyone and everyone across the globe in moments over internet is due to world wide web running on networks of computers. The integrated chat services, photo sharing services, video uploads and video interaction are a routine today. Like Facebook, WhatsApp, Snapchat, Skype and YouTube have entirely changed the way we connect and get along with the people. So these are what your social media platform where you could communicate your views, your files in one go. Next, G2C services. G2C means what? Government Organization use computers to organize my right of information in online databases and websites or portals. The public welfare schemes, important announcement, or variety of data is organized by help of computer. Like mygovernment.com is there to get the information of your government portals, whatever the schemes they are releasing, even any problems you have, so you can write on their portal also. These are what your G2C services. Like CBSE platform is there to get your online results. So these are what your government portals, where you could be able to get your data in one go using what your ICT. So next is role of ICT in industry and businesses. First we have learned about the role of ICT in our personal life. Now we'll learn about role of ICT in industry and businesses, how it affects in our industry. So first, banking industry. The entire financial industry all over the world relies and runs over computer and sophisticated communication infrastructure. The computers are used by banks to maintain the financial databases. You can see all the databases right now are being stored in what, in your computer. Okay, such that the day-to-day transaction details, instant online transactions, secure transfer of funds, this could be done in one go with the help of what, your computer or your mobile app. Next, various businesses. Like all kinds of business transactions are carried out very easily, accurately, and database of all business. Like if you want to recharge, so what you are using in this lockdown period, since many market is closed, so what you are using for that? You won't without recharge you could not sit in your home, no? So what happened, you are using the Paytm portal for recharging your mobile, for recharging your D2H you are using. Okay, so in various businesses also you are using what, your ICT for recharging purpose or online ticketing purpose you are using. Next, medical science and healthcare. For diagnosing this disease, that what problem you are having, there are some online apps are available by which you could be able to diagnose. The best example I could give you, like Arogya Setu app has been released right now for COVID-19. Okay, so for what does it do? It diagnose that any affected people are nearby you or not, or you are in danger or not. So this app is being used for diagnosing your disease, researching for new ones for better cures and treatments, and designing the medicines is now done in the environment. It is used to control, it can be controlled by using the computers or your mobile applications. Next, training and education. Right now there are various schools and education. In this lockdown period they could not open their schools, so they are doing what, they are not making their student idle, they are making their student learning in a process. We are not making stop our learning, we are making our learning in a e-learning mode, isn't it? So school education, skill development, professional training capacity in any field has computer playing the vital role. Getting educated with help of computers has enriched and enhanced the process of teaching and learning at all levels. Next is media. Entertainment, news, and fields of journalism are greatly supported by the computers. Video shooting is there, editing, sound engineering, adding special effects. This all could be done with the help of what, ICT. Next, travel and ticketing. Your book, your travel and ticketing, your booking details. So booking of travel tickets for any mode of travel, online cab booking is there, or like Ola is there, Uber is there. So this all could be done online. Okay, next is research. You could be able to search anything if you are not known, by using what, world wide web, by searching in your search engine, like your Google is there, Mozilla Firefox is there. Next, defense. Defense is the field that make use of computers and network immensely. More sophisticated encryption technology, communication satellites, supercomputers, and network are used by defense force. So research and design of weapons. The weapons are being designed by using what, ICT. So this, in every field, I think in this time we are using what, ICT. In the next class we will learn about the next topic. Thank you.